Assorted fresh lettuces, shaved fennel, thinly sliced leeks, mushrooms, and carrots, tossed with a simple vinaigrette. Because healthy salads are always a good idea. Let's toss up an Insalata Mista. This simple salad idea is often on menus in upscale restos where you can enjoy it as a starter, as a main course, or post-main course as a digestif. It is healthy, easy to make, and yes, very delicious. I'm going to start by showing you how to do the dressing, a very simple vinaigrette. In a medium-sized bowl, we're adding half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a quarter cup of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and then 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Grab your whisk, we're gonna combine thoroughly. Next, the greens. I'm using 3 small heads of lettuce. You can use Boston, red leaf, frisee, romaine, escarole. Simply tear the lettuces into small bite-sized bits. I'm gonna put them into a big bowl, then give them a good rinse, spin them dry, and then spill them into a large salad bowl. Now some additional veggies to add flavor. You're gonna need to do a little bit of prep work, whether you're doing julienne or cutting or working with a mandolin. I'll start by adding 2 carrots, peeled and julienned, 1 small bulb of fennel, it is halved and thinly shaved. How about a 2-inch knob of leek? I rinsed it, then julienned it. 3 cremini mushrooms, thinly sliced. We're also suggesting that you add 1 or 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh herbs. Does so much for the flavor. Today I'm doing basil and parsley. Now to dress. We're gonna drizzle about a quarter cup of the dressing over the salad. Toss gently. It tastes wonderful. You can serve to table or transfer straight away to small side or luncheon plates. I like presenting with sea salt flakes and a mill with black pepper on the side. Trust us, this is such a good salad. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a salad is this sensational, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Fresh and healthy Insalata Mista. Good news, bad news. Bad news, leftovers don't keep. But the good news, you have to eat the salad soon after making it. And you know what that means? Empty plates. Enjoy. Beauty.